Yo guys, I'm making this video because I just want to say thank you guys so much for 7 subscribers. And all my other videos, your guys' favorite one was If I Make This Shot, your second I Like Math with 31 views. And if you comment on this video, what videos I should do more. Like these edits. Or like these. So what do you think I should do more of? Remember, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10 at least by the end of the month. And at 100 subscribers, I'm doing a face reveal. Like and subscribe for that. Peace.